Alex from Design&Build. Very exciting news. Welcome to my project. Good morning everybody, this is Alex, Design&Build. We have our stairs delivered today for the extension bid. We're just getting offloaded. It's early Monday morning, 7:30 in the morning. Good day, it's going to be a lovely day today. This is very exciting. Extension steels have arrived. We are going to get them installed today. We are ready. Design&Build, baby. Started our extension. We got our stairs installed now. We getting ready to get our engineer bricks laid. House is suspended beautifully.